Hello everybody, welcome back to Dhruvix 24 channel. In this video we are going to talk about variables. Variables are containers for storing values. For example, in your homes you have a water tank to store water and a food item in a packet of some sort. Python has different containers for storing different values. Let me correct that. For storing different values. These are int, short for integer, which means it stores negative or positive whole numbers. Float stores a decimal number, negative or positive decimal number. Stir, short for string, stores text inside quotes. Stir, short for string, stores text inside quotes. Bool, short for boolean, stores either true or false. To declare a variable, name it anything you like and set its value to any variable type using the equal to symbol. You can print the variable by simply placing the variable name inside the print statement without using any quotes. Example, name equals in quotes Dhruvix. This could be single quotes as well as double quotes, so you can put whatever you want. I'm going to just go ahead and put double quotes. Print name. Alright, so let me copy all of this code and paste it here. And now let me remove the comments. Alright. And now when I remove the comments and when I run this, so I've set name is equal to Dhruvix, and I've asked Python to print name. So let me see how that goes. It says Dhruvix because the name variable stores Dhruvix in it. So let me delete this. Alright. Things to remember. So never use quotes for values other than stir. Alright. Int values do not store any decimal values. Alright. Bool values only store two values, true or false. So let me make some other data type variables. First is let me make name is equal to Dhruvix, and let's make a variable called num and set it equal to 24. And now let's make a variable called true or false, and let us set it equal to true, and make sure you capitalize the T in true and the F in false. Alright. And you could separate each word by an underscore. It will not matter. Yeah. And decimal number, let us set it to 3.14159. all right, and now we can print them all. So print name, and then we can write here print num, then we can write here print true or false, true or false. Oh, I have named it something else. True or false. All right, then I can print decimal number. All right, and now if we press on F5, it says Dhruvix 24 because the number is 24, and then it says false because we have here false, and then it says our floating point number, the decimal number 3.14159. So this basically works. So now let's talk about the type function. Type function returns the type of a variable. For example, num is equal to 1, 2, 3. So we set a variable called num, and we make a variable called num and set its value to 123. And then we make a variable called data type and set its value to the type, the variable type of num. All right. So let us now do that. Let me comment this, and the shortcut to comment is control/ in VS Code, so you can do that. So let's make a variable num is equal to 1, 2, 3 data type is equal to type function, and inside the parentheses we are going to write num, and then we can print data or data type. All right, and let's run it. You press F5, you will press, and we see class int, which means it is an integer. All right, and you could do this, or you could directly write type and directly insert num variable, and this would work the same. As you can see, it says here class int, and if we try doing this for other variables, so let me copy this, and name equals whatever, and wait, let us print this. So if we do this, and now let's write here print instead of num we write name, and let's run this, hit F5, and it will show that it's of the str data type. All right, so this works, and that was it for the video. If you enjoyed it, do let me know in the comments, and I'll be back with another video. Thanks for watching.